Hello, welcome to Easy English. Recently, some of you commented that some of the phrases in our videos are made specifically for British English learners. So today, I thought we could go through some of the different words used in American English and British English. For this, I've recruited the help of some of the most famous people from both countries to give you a quick-fire list of 50 words. Are you ready? Here we go. Apartment. The word is flat. Bangs. Fringe. Candy. Sweets. Cell phone. Mobile phone. Chips. Crisps. Closet. Wardrobe. Counterclockwise. Anti-clockwise. Zucchini. Courgette. Zip code. Postcode. Vacation. Holiday. Turn signal. Indicator. The trunk. Boot. If you want to know what all of these words mean, then you can become an Easy English member through our Patreon, linked below. There you'll find transcripts and a vocabulary list for this episode, giving you all the definitions to all of these words. Carrying on. Takeout. Takeaway. Eraser. Rubber. Diaper. Nappy. Drugstore. Chemist. Eggplant. Aubergine. Tie. Drawer. Elevator. It's lift. Highway. Motorway. Band-aid. Plaster. Garbage can. Dustbin. Gas. Petrol. Principal. Headmaster. Faculty. The stuff. As you can see, there aren't any similarities in any of these words. American English even separated different spellings of the same words just to distance themselves from the English. With some of British English words absorbing French and German, American English evolved into spelling words how they would be pronounced. Anyway, let's carry on with the next 25. License plate. Number plate. Liquor store. Off license. To kill. Mailbox. Mailman. Postbox and postman. A pacifier. Dummy. Pants. Trousers. Sneakers. Trainers. Parking lot. Car park. Faucet. Tap. Period. Full stop. Private school. Public school. Ugh. Truck. Lorry. Bathrobe. Dressing gown. Shopping cart. Shopping trolley. Sidewalk. Pavement. Kindergarten. Nursery. Package. Parcel. Soccer. Football. Realtor. Estate agent. Stroller. Buggy. Subway. Underground. A fanny. A bum. Order. Trash. Rubbish. A high school. Primary school. There you go. There's 50 different words used between American and British English. Let me know if you've accidentally gone all American on a British audience, or any other differences you know. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Off license. To kill. Faculty. Victoria. Victoria. Philip. His ass. Feel lucky, punk. Yeah. I did not have chips.